Hi, I'm Madeline, and I'm going to show you how to make a fishtail bracelet. If you're wondering what a fishtail bracelet looks like, it looks like this. This. And this. And this. If you would like to know how to make a fishtail bracelet, first of all, you will need some rubber bands. Any color will do. And you have to and you can use this, this, or two fingers like this. I'm going to use this one. And I'm going to get my rubber band. So first of all, you have one rubber band. And then you put it through here and you cross it over like this. You push it down a little. Then you put two more flat rubber bands that are not crossed over top of it. Push them down. And then you pull the bottom one that was crossed up. Then you put another rubber band up there. You pull the other bottom one up over top of that. And then you do it again. Then you put another one over top, and then you pull that one up again. Then you pull some more, and then you do it like this. And then you keep putting another one on top and pulling the bottom one down. And then you pull that one. Remember, you pull both sides. Then you put another one on top. I think we are done. So when you're done, you can lay it down. Yeah. You get a clip. I'm gonna get one of my clips. Yeah, I'm gonna use this one.
Okay.
And it'll zip up the bag. First of all, you clip it on the end one. One at a time. Then, it's a little hard for me this one. Yep, it falls out, so I get to do this one. Then you put the clip inside of the ones, and then there you have your own fishtail bracelet. Wear it on your wrist. Looks good too. Thank you for watching How to Make a Fishtail Bracelet. Hope you enjoyed your bracelet. Put it on your wrist.